We're here right now in Hősök Bistro, where I'm about to try what's arguably the most delicious three-course meal in the entire city. From the moment you walk in, you're met with an aesthetic interior, which dates back to the 1900s. But right in the kitchen is where the magic happens, where you meet an army of chefs working around the clock to produce the most delicious meals you truly deserve. We're starting with a heavy hitter, goose liver pate.
We can say that our specialty can be the goose liver, the roasted or grilled goose liver.
The flavors is phenomenal. This is the perfect way to have a starter. In Hungary, this is an ultimate flex. Look at the texture. It's silky. It's decadent. It's basically a savory cloud. This dude in the kitchen is plating this masterclass. It's the best way possible to have a starter before the main dish.
You can check our ratings on the Google. We have approximately 750 ratings, and we are doing 4.8.
How many bistros can you say here in Budapest that can boast of that rating on Google? Not so many, if I tell you.
So what are we having right now?
We have some baked potatoes. We also have some ham, like a prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
We have the veal
Veal.
on the top, and a touch of goose liver.
And a touch of goose liver.
Yeah.
Most spots are doing basic beef while these guys are playing chess. This dude is slow simmering this until the meat is literally vibrating with flavor. It's a total protein bomb. I must say I've been salivating since I was in the kitchen, watching as this masterpiece was being prepared. I mean, you need to have seen the artistry, the expertise, the whole finesse that they put into preparing this dish. And of course, the reveal and the special scissors used in the reveal. It's a very nice treatment, I must say. And now to see if it's truly worth it after watching how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is truly remarkable. I love how the potatoes are a little bit crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. The veal is not tough. Many places you see them preparing veal, it's usually very strong and you need to use your whole bite force to chew on the veal.
We won the Go Meal award with the restaurant for this year, for 2026. We have 11 points and one cook hat. You know, the Gomeo book has, it is like awarding cook hats for the restaurant, and we are not just a recommended one, we have a hat.
Coming here to this 19th century villa is a total move.
Yes. It was built in 1902.
1902?
Yeah.
That's quite impressive. So when you come right here, you're coming to a 20th century villa to enjoy your amazing meal. We're completing the three-course meal with the titan of Hungarian desserts. This isn't just a cake, it's a legend. And I'm about to try this very aesthetic dessert right here. It's really tasty, very sweet. I love the turosh on top. It's really high class turosh. I've tried Rakoti turosh in several cafes, and this is absolutely on top of the list. I mean, the aesthetics of the dessert itself, coupled with all the flavors that hit your taste buds the moment you put a bite in your mouth. What else could you ask for?
We have like many best-selling meals. We have the chicken cordon bleu. You know, it is a good thing because almost everybody knows it. All people all around the world. We also really like the ravioli. You just mentioned it. It is like a vegetarian meal. It is made with truffles, with different mushrooms, with a creamy sauce and tomatoes, and with a touch of cheese on the top.
Anytime you're here in Budapest, make sure you come to this bistro. From the beautiful interior designs, to the amazing customer service, to the masterpiece dishes, and of course to the different flavors that hit your taste buds the moment you take a bite. I can say without a doubt that this is Micah's menu approved. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button the subscribe button and click the notifications icon rather at the bottom so you can be notified about my future content. And join me as we hunt around the globe to get the most amazing bites that you can think of.